My good friends, you all are welcome back to my channel, Erica's Beauty Touch. If it's your first time of visiting my channel, don't forget to click on that sub button on the notification bell, like, share and comment for more videos. To my old subscribers, you all are the best. Thank you so much for always coming to support my new videos and my old videos. So this video, I'm going to teach us how we can make our homemade turmeric face mask with lemon and honey. It's very helpful for a healthy skin and oily skin. If you are battling with oily skin and other face housing, this video is for you. Turmeric has a very good benefit. It has a good benefit at home and for your skin, in your food and your skin. Turmeric has been used for ages to help with both treating housing and encouraging healing. This do-it-yourself turmeric and honey face mask is very easy to make and perfect for anyone battling housing. Turmeric has an ingredient for the skin. It's also helpful for treating rosacea. It can reduce the amount of tiny red spots and breakouts that occur in the skin. On the skin, yeah, it can help, and thanks for all the skin calming properties. This turmeric mask can also help with reducing the inflammation and redness for those with asthma. Of course, we recommend that you check in with your doctor before trying this mask on a very sensitive skin or before using it on your kids. Turmeric contains a phytochemical called curcumin, which can benefit the body from the inside out. Thanks to turmeric's fabulous antioxidant property, it has been used for skin rejuvenating. Yeah, turmeric can even soften and reduce the appearance of wrinkles, giving the face a more youthful glow. The turmeric and honey face mask is incredible and easy to make, and it includes just 3 ingredients. You can also optionally add coconut oil to this your face mask recipe. So I'm making use of fresh turmeric. You can also make use of dried or the powdered turmeric. Yeah, so I will just go ahead and peel it off, wash and blend it into paste. Make sure you blend it smoothly. As you know, this is the fresh turmeric, so you need to blend it so smooth into paste so it can easily absorb to the skin. I will add a tablespoon of original honey. This honey, I brought it all the way from Nigeria. Nigeria has a good honey. Our honey is very good and natural. So you add your honey, a teaspoon of honey, then you squeeze out in the lemon juice. Squeeze out a lemon juice and also add it to it. 2 spoons of lemon juice will be added to it. 2 spoons of lemon juice will be added to it, and you can include the 2 spoons of lemon juice into it. Then make sure you stir very well. Make sure you stir very well for everything to mix together perfectly well. You keep stirring, stir. Keep stirring it for like 4 to 3 minutes or 2 minutes or so. Keep stirring, stir, and shake it for perfect mixture. Yeah, our turmeric face mask is ready. Our turmeric face mask is perfectly and well ready, homemade turmeric, natural. Our skin needs soft and natural treatment. Too much chemicals to the skin can affect your skin. This month, if you have a sensitive skin, make sure you ask your doctor before using. So I'll be using it as my face mask first thing in the morning. First of all, I'll go ahead and wash my face with the long rich charcoal soap. The long rich charcoal soap, I'll use it to wash my face thoroughly well, because I just woke up in the morning. I need to use this turmeric face mask, so I'll go ahead and wash my face thoroughly well with the long rich bamboo soap. Is very, very good. If you need any of these products, any long rich products, you can also chat me up on Instagram, Erica's Beauty Touch, for your long rich product. Long rich has a very good product, and they are all organic products. It's very good for all skin types. I normally use this soap to wash off makeup on my face, or I use it to wash my face and bath with it first thing in the morning. But I make sure I use it to wash off the oily face, because I'm having oily face. I have to wash it off before I use my turmeric face mask for a good and healthy skin. Yeah, turmeric is very, very, very good. Long rich charcoal soap is also good for the skin and helpful. After washing, you rinse off the soap and clean your face with a neat and clean towel. Yeah, clean the face with a neat towel. So after cleaning, I will go ahead and apply my turmeric face mask. I always shake before using. I've been using this. You can see it's almost finished. At least it lasted like a month plus. Yeah, and this can be still be enough for me for like a week. So I'll go ahead and use my small powder brush I'm not using for my makeup again. I will go ahead and use it to apply it. You can make any use more. Mind you, this turmeric can easily stain your hands. It can easily stain your hands, so be careful with it. So I will allow it to stay for like 30 minutes before rinsing it or washing it off from my face. I will allow the turmeric to relax on my face for like 30 minutes and dry up on my face for 30 minutes. It's good for teeth also. Yeah, I've washed it off. You can see how tender this face is looking. Oh, I still look so young. But I'm somebody's wife. Oh, never mind. So this turmeric, after washing it, I'm going ahead to apply my carrot oil. I will be leaving the link of this carrot oil, how I process it soon. I'll be uploading the video. I'll go ahead and apply my carrot oil on my face and massage the face. After washing it off, I'll go ahead to massage it with carrot oil. The carrot oil is also good for the skin and give the skin a lightening color. You can also make your skin so soft. Sometimes I apply it both on my lips. It helps for a tender and soft lips. Yeah, the carrot oil is good. If you've watched to this extent, you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Click on that sub button. It's just free, okay? Click on it, like, share and comment for more videos like this, okay? Encourage me for more upload. If this video is helpful to you, let me know in my comment box. If you have any question regarding this video, you can also ask your question, okay? Ask your question and let me know what you think about this. Have you tried using turmeric for on your face, or have you are about trying it? Let me know if it was the benefit